This is Nick from Robo-Serve, and this week we want to test to see that if somebody had to mess a bit of golden syrup or honey or something really sticking on the floor, and you sent the ABIR X8 in to clean it up, how well would it do? And if you had to improve the chances of it cleaning, would dishwasher rinse aid help or not? And yeah, so just to clarify, the rinse aid can be added to the water in the water tank at the back. The question is, does it help or not? So that's what we're going to test this week. Stay tuned, let's see what happens. Okay, so in summary, we filled the water tank with 200 ml of normal tap water. We then proceeded to add a tablespoon of dishwasher rinse aid into the solution, and we then turned the ABIR X8 onto the area where we had deliberately messed golden syrup. The result is simply that we ran the ABIR X8 over the area about 4 times. It did clean it, but it didn't remove the stickiness completely. So in my opinion, I would suggest that you use a manual mop in the occasions where golden syrup or honey or something gets messed on the floor. And yep, that is my honest opinion. Obviously the X8 is great for everyday cleaning. Alright, have a good one. Cheers.